Hi, Dr. Nisha. Could you please explain the importance of self examination in early detection of breast cancer? Also, how is it done?
So, self breast examination is the examination of your breast by yourself. In the recent times, there has been some controversies regarding self breast examination, wherein some studies said that more amount of self breast examination leads to more biopsies and probably overdiagnosis. But we feel that self breast examination, along with clinical examination by a doctor, and also combined with imaging as per the existing guidelines and your age, etc., can help you to detect any abnormality in your breast well before, that is in a very early stage when cure is almost 100% possibility. So what is the right time to do a self breast examination? Ideally, if your menstrual cycle spans for say 28 days, then the 10th to the 16th day or 10th to 14th day of your menstrual cycle would be the ideal time for a self breast examination. Now suppose somebody is post-menopausal, then the right time to go for a self breast examination would be any time of the month. Make sure that you have a calendar on which you mark the date on which you are going to perform the self breast examination for yourself. Self breast examination can be done in the bathroom while taking a bath, or it can be done in the privacy of a bedroom. Just make sure that there is a mirror available. So there are two steps of performing a self breast examination. One is the visual inspection and other is the manual palpation. So visual inspection of the breast is done by standing straight in front of a mirror with both hands by your side, then raising your both the arms above the head, and also by keeping both the hands by the side like this, and then doing the following steps. Inspect both the breast and check out the symmetry of both the breast, the size and the shape, and see if there is any bulge. Now normally in females it is very common for one breast to be larger than the other. So just make sure that there is no increase in the size, notice serially in your monthly examinations. Now check out your skin for any change in the color like redness, or check out for puckering or dimpling, etc. That is any change in the skin as such. And also check out for the nipple, that is whether there is any retraction of the nipple or is there any liquid that is coming out from the nipple. It might be milky or it might be sometimes yellowish in color or bloody. So check out for what kind of discharge or if there is any discharge at the first place. Coming to the manual palpation, it can be done either standing again in front of the mirror or by just lying down. Now it is usually done by the first 3 fingers of your hand and using the pad of your fingers, and the touch is usually smooth, and you can use all the 3 pressures, that is the mild pressure and medium pressure and firm pressure, in order to find out or palpate anything that is superficially placed or something that is slightly deeper or deepest. The right hand is used for the palpation of the left breast and the left hand is used for the palpation of the right breast. The pattern that is used is either concentric, that is the clockwise pattern, or from up to down, that is the vertical pattern, or the radial pattern, that is from the nipple towards the periphery of the breast. Whatever pattern you are using, just make sure that you are covering the whole of the breast and the armpit area. That is the area that is starting right from the armpit to your cleavage, or the area that is between your collarbone and the upper part of your abdomen. In case you find any of the abnormality after the above mentioned procedure, then please do not panic, because most of the time these lumps or the abnormalities are not cancers, they are something more benign and can be treated very easily. So go to a doctor. It can be a gynecologist or it can be an oncologist or it can be your family physician. Get yourself checked up. Your doctor will perform a thorough physical examination and might write some imaging techniques like ultrasonography or mammogram depending upon your age, and then will explain to you what is your diagnosis. Please check out our video series to understand as to what to expect when you find a lump in your breast or any abnormality in the breast for that matter. That's it for self-breast examination. Do it once in a month and make sure that you know your body and you know your breast well, and you are able to detect anything at all at a very early stage when cure is almost 100% possibility.